Today's project, liberate some floor space in this shed. We'll do that by getting this bike off the floor and hanging it up on the ceiling using this kit right here. Because of the slope, I want to put some wedges underneath here to get that more perpendicular. I don't think it's a good idea to have an oblique load on a pulley. It's better to have it perpendicular. So I need a wedge to compensate for the slope. I didn't film how I made the wedge because it was quite sketchy. Basically, I had to cut it on end like that, and no real good way to hold it. But it worked. I got my wedge. And the wedges are in place. It turned out pretty good. Nice and level. Yes, we have floor space now.